Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro JPY, Euro Japanese Yen for Monday 1st June. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro JPY, Euro Japanese Yen, and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame. If you just look at the chart, then there is no denial or no doubt about the chart that market is in uptrend. Okay, market is in beautiful uptrend, and the chart looks very beautiful. Okay, and as I always say, trading in a trending market is always easier in comparison to sideways market or a range bound market. And this market is in uptrend. So what is our duty then? Our duty is to find the area of value or the best trading opportunity. In an uptrend market, the area of value or the best trading opportunity is near the support. Okay. The area of value is very important so that we do not compromise with the risk to reward ratio. In case we go for a wrong entry or if we enter in a wrong position, then we compromise with the risk to reward ratio and we compromise with the trading discipline. So that is a strict no. Therefore, in that context, the finding out the area of value is extremely important. So this is an uptrend market, simple market, beautiful market. So area of value or the support is also beautiful. And in this market, we can easily see that it is taking support at the 50 moving average. You can see that on multiple occasions the market has taken support at the 50 moving average. Whenever market was retracing or coming down to take risk, it was getting the required support from the 50 moving average. So in that case, things are very simple. So we have the trend, we have the area of value now. And as the market is in uptrend, we will only look for buying opportunity, because if you are planning to short the market here, then you will be making a blunder. You will be going against the trend, and that is not at all acceptable. Okay, so only buying order. Now let's look at the weekly chart and see what the weekly chart is telling us. Okay, if you look at the weekly chart, we can easily see that weekly chart is also telling us the same story. Market is extremely bullish. Just look at the beautiful green candles market is forming. Okay, and apart from the bullishness of the market, weekly chart is not giving us any prominent support or resistance level, because see, the important support or resistance levels are right now quite far away. So we do not require those levels for Monday or Tuesday. Okay, so let's go to the weekly 4 hours time frame and see. Okay, so we have the area of support, area of values as and it is the 50 moving average. Okay, so our strategy is very simple for Monday. Okay, right now we can see that market is trading here 133.8 level. Okay, so wait for the market to come down to the support. So when market will be coming down, okay, in fact the stochastic RSI is also telling us the same story, that market will be coming down, because see, market was in overbought zone. So whenever market is overbought zone, it will come down to take risk. So when market will be hitting the 50 moving average, you need to observe the price. You need to read the chart. You need to understand the market psychology. If you see that price has taken support at the 50 moving average again, like before. Okay, like this or like this. Okay, we'll get the confirmation, remember, in the form of a hammer or a green candle like this. If you see that price has taken support again at the 50 moving average, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, 50 moving average, okay, 50 moving average is still a valid support, and you can go for a buy order. In case market crosses the 50 moving average, then also do not short the market blindly. You will be making a blunder. Okay, in case market crosses the 50 moving average, okay, like previous time, see here market crossed the 50 moving average, here also, okay, and somewhat here also. Market, see, one or two candles may cross the 50 moving average. That doesn't mean that market will go down now. Okay, see, these lines are not exact figures. Okay, these are levels. Try to understand. These are levels. So if one or two candles starts trading below the 50 moving average, do not short the market right away. You will be making a blunder. Okay. So if one or two candles trade starts trading below the 50 moving average, wait for the market and just observe the price, because after some time or after a couple of hours, if you see that market has formed a green candle and has started trading over the 50 moving average, okay, then you can go for a buy order. Then you'll get the answer that yes, 50 moving average is still a valid support and market has regained its position. Try to understand my words. Okay, if market starts trading below the 50 moving average, that doesn't mean that market has crossed the resistance, crossed the support, or market has broken the support. It only means that market is still trading and taking rest. Support or resistance, see, we draw in the form of a line, but that does not mean that it's a line. Support and resistance is a zone. Just look at the previous levels. Okay, market did not form a hammer right away. Market did not form a green candle. Rather, market formed 3-4 candles below the 50 moving average. Then it started going up. So in case market fails to take support immediately or market fails to form a hammer, do not be disheartened. Observe the price. If you see that market has formed small candles, or market is trading near the levels, okay, near the uh, small candles near the 50 moving average, then you can go for a buy order once market will cross this 50 moving average. I cannot give you the exact value of the 50 moving average because it is a dynamic support, it is not a static support. Okay, so therefore wait for the market to come down to the 50 moving average. When it will bounce from the support or the 50 moving average, you can go for a buy order. That's it, simple. Okay, and what will be your take profit target? Your first take profit target will be 134 level. Observe the market. Okay, market is an uptrend. Okay, still, if market struggles at 134 level, and if you think that okay, I have made enough money, then you can come out, or otherwise you can continue with the trade. Market is an uptrend, you can trail the stop loss and continue with the trend, and if you are satisfied with the 134 target, you can come out by 134. Simple. Okay, but remember, do not compromise with the area of value. Only trade when the price will be near the support or at the support. This is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked my video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.